Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Matt with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics here in Jacksonville, Florida. I got a pretty quick and simple installation for y'all today. Working on a 2010 Mercedes C300. Client wanted CarPlay in their vehicle, and we did just that. We also added a backup camera while we were at it. We ended up doing a trunk mount, so it's very similar to the factory options. Nice and tucked away and hidden there, but it still provides a great view. We'll go over that in a second. Pop this trunk open. It's locked. You can't see any of the wires. It's all tucked away nice and clean. We come in here. So the CarPlay actually is a box. It's about a yay big box that we put down here behind the carpet paneling. And it uses the factory system, so you don't lose any of your factory features. You retain everything. You have your factory system. It goes through the aux interface. Pretty cool. Pumps the audio in through aux into the vehicle, and it actually has a USB if you want to plug your phone in. But as you guys can probably tell, it's got wireless CarPlay. But yeah, you can go through here. You got all your apps and whatnot, just as you would a regular CarPlay, but it's on your Mercedes-Benz screen. And the cool part too is this module, you can add a backup camera to it, and it ties into the steering wheel for line. So this is our camera we got here. Turn the wheel, the lines turn with it, which is pretty nice, and it gives you a good view. Being for what it is, it's an awesome solution for a very difficult to replace, or you might not even want to replace this radio in this vehicle. So but yeah, if you guys are interested in doing something like this, you can give us a call at 904-333-2322 or email us at info.audiodesigns@gmail.com. We'd be more than happy to give you a consultation to put CarPlay in your vehicle. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.